Hello, this is Johnny B. Bad, 6661 John F.K. Page again. Just got done dropping off my Harley motorcycle here at the dealership. Trying to get that oil leak fixed on that front fork over here at the Harley Davidson dealership right over here. And that's about it. See, you got pickup and delivery van there. I rode mine in. I rode it in. It says it's rideable, but don't chance it. Let's get this fixed. There it is right there. Just leaking right there in the ground. Got a service tag on it. Ready to go. Said it's going to be done in a couple of days. We'll see what happens. Wow, man. It ain't one thing, it's another. But anyway, I'm in good hands. Got a good service side rep. Just gotta go get on the train over here. Down the street. Head back to the apartment. Get ready to go to work tomorrow. Back on that fucking bus. But anyway, have a good one. Oh. Don't like taking them buses. Have a good one.